इस साल की जो नोटिफिकेशन आई है, एडमिशन नोटिफिकेशन, दैट इज फुल ऑफ फ्लॉज. Because last year, see, government has changed the session. Our kids will not pay for that. My son is born in May 2020. Where will he go? Where will he go? Because they are saying that he is not eligible. Reason given by them is that the session is changed by the government, but the session has been changed for the entire Kashmir Valley, not for one school only. They should, in real sense, if we will logically calculate the age criteria, they should have incorporated in their notification students or children who are born from November 2019 to October 2020. Those are eligible because they are 4+. जो बच्चा 4+ है, he is not getting admission. And जो बच्चा 3+ है, they are welcoming him. Of course, we have discussed with them. We were not allowed to meet the authority. That is the father of Bernal School. We were not allowed to meet him.
What was the reason?
I don't know. I did not went inside. The parents who went inside, they were told that we cannot. His busy father is not there. We have already moved a representation there. We have just formally all the parents have signed that application because our grievance is to be redressed, because the students or children who are born from May 2020 till October 20, that is not their fault. And now they are telling us that how can you be sure that your children will be your children?
Only institution to doing this.
This is only being done by Bernal School. Now they are telling us that how can you be very sure that your children will qualify the interview? Fair enough, I cannot be sure, but they cannot deny the basic right of my child to be fairly to compete fairly with the other students, because he is well within the age of 4+. I was waiting for. I was right from the very beginning. This was in my mind that I'll get my son's admission done there only. Yesterday the notification came, and it was just like a shock to me. I could not sleep for the whole night. I was just calculating how this has been done. Then I just thought, how is it possible that 3+ student will be eligible for LKG and a 4+ student who he is being denied? Kindly just do something, because our children are suffering as anything. Thank you.
साकिब है. So last year जो बर्नॉल ने एडमिशन निकाले हुए थे, it was the cutoff was March 2020. All right, we went there. They said no, your child is not eligible. So this year it should be from March 2020 onwards. But what they have done is they have skipped 7 months from March until November. They have skipped 7 months, and they have kept the eligibility criteria from November 2020 until next year 2021 March. So where would the parents go? The 7 months. There are lots of children there are lots of parents who come in this criteria from March until November. Where would the children go? They are not entertaining us. We have given them a joint application. Me along with this sir, we went there. They said categorically no, we cannot do anything about it. Do whatever you want to. The principal was not ready to meet us. Then that's why we're here, banging the door of Mr. Director, and let's see what will happen. Thank you so much. Of course, we want to give them a fair chance. That's all we want. Even if they're not selected, but at least give them a chance. The parents, we are here banging their door, and let's see what happens.